In this video, we give a very simple technique for the construction of table of trigonometric values of angles of 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. You can find the trigonometric values of these angles in no time when you don't have the calculator. Let's construct the table of values. In the first row, we write the angles of 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Now first we find the trigonometric values of these angles for a sine function. So we find sine theta. Now write numbers from 0 to 4 as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now here we see that 4 is the highest number. So we divide each of these numbers by 4 and then we take square root of each of these numbers. Now we simplify these square roots. The square root of 0 over 4 will be 0. The square root of 1 over 4 will be 1 over 2. The square root of 2 over 4. Here we cancel out 2 and now we find square root of 1 over 2 and it will be square root of 1 over 2 will be equal to 1 over square root of 2. Square root of 3 over 4 will be equal to square root of 3 by 2 and again square root of 4 over 4 we cancel 4 with 4 and get 1 and square root of 1 is 1. Now we find the values of cosine of these angles, that is cos theta. Now we write the values obtained in the above row in reverse order. The last value is 1. Now it becomes the first value. The second last value will become the second value. The third value will hold its position. The second value will go on fourth position and the first value will go on to the last place. So these are the values of cosine of these angles. Now we see that the value of sine 0 is 0, the value of cos 0 is 1. The value of sine 30 is 1 by 2, the value of cos 30 is square root of 3 by 2. Value of sine 45 is 1 over square root of 2, the value of cos 45 is also the same. The value of sine 60 degree is square root of 3 by 2. The value of cos 60 is 1 by 2. The value of sine 90 is 1 and the value of cos 90 is 0. Let me wipe these drawings and now we will find the values of tangent function for these angles. So tangent theta, as we know that tan theta is equal to sine theta over cos theta. So if I want to find the value of tangent 0 degree, that will be equal to sine 0 degree cos 0 degree. So now for the values of tangents of these angles, I simply divide value of sine by the value of cosine or cos. So tangent 0 will be equal to the value of sine 0 over the value of cos 0 and that will be 0. For tangent 30 degree, sine 30 will be divided by cos 30. After simplification it becomes 1 over square root of 3. For value of tangent 45, divide sine 45 by cos 45. After simplification it becomes 1. For value of tangent 60, divide sine 60 by cos 60. After simplification it becomes square root of 3. And finally the value of tangent 90 will be equal to value of sine 90 over value of cos 90. And it after simplifying, it cannot be simplified, it is undefined. So we have found the values of trigonometric values of table of values for the angles of 0, 30 degree, 45, 60 degree and 90 degree.